Hi, my name is Michelle Cherriez. I'm a learning facilitator at Highlands, and this is just a quick little video to show you how to use the translations or closed captions when you're using or presenting a PowerPoint presentation. So easy. Click into PowerPoint. I'm going to just go into my open house presentation, and in the it's right on the main screen. Excuse me, or in slideshow, not in file, but you have to go into slideshow. You know, your different, sometimes it's in view for some reason, but it's also you go into slideshow, and right over here on the right, you can click always use subtitles, and then you need to click on the subtitle settings. The spoken language, obviously, for me, is United States English, and the subtitle language Spanish. I'm going to put Spanish because I have many Spanish-speaking parents for coming to our open house on Wednesday. If you have a student who's in your room who's hearing impaired, it might be a great idea just to, translate it right into English for them. So when you're doing a PowerPoint, it's up on the screen. I have a microphone attached, okay? And then you can choose where you want the closed captions. I think in the classroom on the inner right, I would probably have them on the bottom, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to put it up on the top, okay? You can put it on the bottom, you can put it, on the top. I'm going to put it on the top. Okay, as simple as that. So I'm going to go ahead and start my slideshow. Hi, this is Mrs. Cherriez. Welcome to the Learning Strategies program. Okay, so I'm going to escape out of that. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to change my language to Spanish. Just to show you how great this will be for our parents. I'm going to go back to my slideshow. Good evening, this is Mrs. Cherriez. I'm welcome to our open house here at Highlands. I'm the Learning Strategies program teacher. I'll be with your students for the next 2 years. There you go. So that's how easy that is. Enjoy.